Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun items to share with you today. Whoa, one is a fun birthday, one is a wedding, and another one is a fold it that is lots of options. Okay, let's start with the birthday first. This is a Stephiedoll. And she is holding out a cupcake for you or someone you can give it to. Look how cute it is. So we have happy birthday, let's eat cupcakes, my friend, hello, big cupcake, little cupcake, so you can stamp it separate and die cut it. And yes, there are dies that match, of course, you know me, right? And you have the big cupcake and the little cupcake. This little cupcake matches this cupcake, so you can pop it up easily if you want to. And so much fun. I love her hair. Isn't her hair gorgeous? I just absolutely love it. So fun. Now, that is our birthday for today. Wedding for today, because 'tis the season for weddings, am I right? 'Tis the season for weddings. Here we have congratulations. The two of you make the perfect couple. She said yes. Just married. Save the date. Congrats. Love. All of those fit on the cute little banner on the car. Also, all of these dates will fit on that banner on the car as well. Isn't that awesome? We start with 2022 and we go all the way to 2030. Wow, look at that. That is crazy, right? And a cute little church that matches our church folded. Don't forget. Now, of course, yes, you know, there are dies, of course, right? I mean, there have to be dies. And the best part about the Stamps of Life is we give you the inside die too. So you can die cut it using the inside die, so you have no shadow, or you could use the shadow and die cut that, and then you would have a shadow around your item. Choice is yours. More choices, right? Now, this item could be wedding, could be Christmas. You get to decide. Look how fun this is. It is bells. Now, I called it wedding bells, but technically it's bells because you could use it for any day, right? Even anniversary would be perfect. In fact, here's a gorgeous one. Look at how beautiful that is. Using our mum embossing folder and our lattice embossing folder and our gorgeous, gorgeous glitter paper. Congratulations. Isn't that beautiful? I absolutely think that's stunning. Now, here's another one. Oh, Merry Christmas. So you can put the fold it on a card, or you could put the fold it, make it a fold it, and actually have that cute little fold it there. Now, let's look at another one. Look at this one. Wedding bell. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. Save the date 2023 using our fun banner banner dies, which I absolutely love. Okay, so let's move those over. Oh, here's a pretty one. Best wishes. Now, look at all the different options. Here's a good one. Isn't that beautiful? Congratulations. Here's another one. Totally different. Each and every time you're totally gonna change what it looks like just by changing the colors. Just by changing the colors, totally different. Look at that. I almost want to like ring that bell. Isn't that fun? Here's another one. Put on a card, Merry Christmas option. Here's one. It's the best time of the year. Look at how beautiful that is. Using flourishes for Christmas, a 5x7 card base, pine cone dies. Look at how beautiful that is. Isn't that stunning? Imagine starting your Christmas cards now. Wow, isn't that beautiful? Two different totally looks, right? Oh, and then here's another one. Sweet moments. Oh, isn't that beautiful? This could even be a baby card if you wanted it to be. So pretty. Now let's look at that church. Here it is on our fun create a scene. Look at that. Save the date. The two of you make the perfect couple. Congratulations with that fun little church. Now look at how beautiful this is. Look at that church. Easter blessings. Doesn't have to be for wedding. Doesn't have to be for wedding. It could be for baptism. It could be for a Holy Communion. It could be anything like that. So beautiful, so fun. Of course, Cheryl used the 3D inks on here because you know she loves those 3D inks so much. Here's a cute one. Look at that. Just married. Congratulations. Oh, look how cute this one is. You two make the perfect couple. Love, just married, using our swirl background die. So pretty. Open it up. Look how pretty that is. Here's another cute one. Oh, look at that car. It's like driving away, just married. Now let's look at some Steffi doll. Are you ready? Look at how cute she is here. Look at her glasses. I absolutely love where her glasses from. Glasses are stickers, but can use pineapple to stamp dies. Pineapple to stamp dies. Look at that. Open that up. It's a flip it. Open that up. You could add a gift card in there. My friend, isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely beautiful. Ooh, what about adding her to a party hat folded? Isn't that gorgeous? Now, I want you, and I always love to show this, you guys. I try to show this all the time. 2 different total looks. So you can customize Steffi to be what your friend looks like. Change her hair color, change her skin tone. You add the glasses if you need to, whatever your friend looks like. Here's a cute one. Okay, are you ready for this? Just using the dies. So what if you're someone that doesn't like to color and you're like, Stephanie, I love her, she's adorable, but I don't color. I do not color. Buy the dies. Look at this. Only the dies are used here. No stamps for Stephiedoll. Only the dies. Because we give you those inside dies, you are able to make it. Look at this. You got to see this, okay? This is why, another reason why we give you the inside dies and not just that boring shadow. Because now you can piece her together using no stamps, okay? Those of you that don't like to color, there you go. Here's another cutie pie stamped and die cut. Happy birthday using our swish card. Let's eat cupcakes. I'm with you, right? And here's another cutie pie. Look at how cute she is with her little popped up cupcakes. So fun. And with our sprinkles background too. Perfect with that, right? Purple, perfect with that sprinkles background. This one is using our grid die. So fun to add a little extra something something. Club members, you know the rules. You get your club discount ASAP, 15 to 20% off depending on which club you're in. And if you're getting this video ASAP when we first release it, chances are these are on flash sale. You know, it's so fun to get a flash sale and your club discount. So if you're not in the club, you've got to check it out. You can be in the club for as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set each month. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.